Hello, welcome to Online Alphabet Ready. My name is Miss Leena, and I'm so happy to see you. Let's start with ABC clap, okay? This is how it goes. A, B, C, we're going up, we're going down, we're going crisscross, lollipop, pull the chain, turn around, touch the ground, full stop. Are you ready to get started? Here I have 3 doors. Door number 1, door number 2, and door number 3. And behind each of these doors, there is a secret word. And I need your help to try and figure out what those words are. Are you ready? The first word behind door number 1, it has 3 sounds in it. The first sound is N. That sounds like N, noisy Nick, letter N sound. The second sound in that word is E. That sounds like E, Eddie Elephant. Here it is. The last sound in this word is T. T, like talking Tess makes letter T sound. Now we can put all these sounds together to figure out what the word is. Are you ready? N, E, T. We can also do it with the string. N, E, T. N, E, T. Net. I heard net. Did you? Let's check. It was net. You can catch fish and butterflies with a net. Good job. Are you ready for the second word? The second word also has 3 sounds. The first sound is R. R. Red robot, letter R sound. The second sound is E. E, like impy, E, ink, letter I sound. E. Last sound is P. Peter puppy sound. P, letter P sound. R, E, P. Are you ready? R, E, P. R, E, P. R, E, P. Did you hear it? I heard rip. Let's see. There's a rip in that paper. Right, last word. It also has 3 sounds in it. First sound is mmm. Mmm. Munching Mike, letter M sound. Second sound is A. Annie Apple, A sound. Last sound is P. There's that Peter puppy sound again. P. Letter P. Mmm. Ah. P. You ready? Map. 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 What did you hear? I heard map. Let's see if that's right. Oh, it is. It's a treasure map. 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 thinking of another word that rhymes with map, but it starts with a different sound. It's something that you wear on your head. It's called a cap. Now let's see what sounds are in the word cap. And to figure out the sounds, I like to stretch them on my arm. And stretching, I mean saying it slowly. Cap. Cap. That's the cap. What's the first sound? That sounds like clever cat sound, doesn't it? Let's see what the rest of the sounds are. There is that Peter puppy sound again at the end. But something's missing from the middle. The middle sound, we still have to figure that one out. That sounds like an apple sound, doesn't it? Cap. Cap. Very good. All right, I think we're ready to talk about today's letter. Today's letter is letter J. There's uppercase J, and there's the lowercase j. And there is Jumping Jim. He's the boy in Letterland who makes the letter J sound. J, J. Jumping Jim can jump and juggle, and he can do it at the same time, too. Now let's draw the lowercase j together up in the air. Just down Jim, bending his knees, and add one ball, which everyone sees. There it is. Let me ask you this. Is this a letter J? No, it's not. Not even close. Is this a letter J then? No, that's not a letter J either. I thought I had some letter J's in this deck. How about this one? Is that a letter J? Yes, that's letter J. That's the lowercase letter J. How about this one? Is that a letter J? Nope. That's letter N. How about this one? Yes, that's uppercase letter J. Now listen out. I'm going to say a word and you help me decide whether or not it starts with letter J sound. Do you remember the letter J sound? It was J, J. All right. Does nest start with the J sound? Nest. That does not start with the letter J sound. How about jet? That's a jet airplane there. Whoops. Jet does start with the letter J sound. How about house? House. House. That does not start with the letter J sound. It starts with letter H sound. But what if house started with the letter J sound? What would it be called then? Jouse. Now that's funny, but that's not a jouse. How about penguin? Does penguin start with J sound? No. Penguin starts with P sound. If a penguin started with the J sound, it'd be called a jenguin. No, that's not right. How about juice? Does juice start with the letter J sound? Juice. Yes, it does. I think we're ready to put together a puzzle. The first word in our puzzle. What do you get when you put together J and a ump? J, ump, J, ump, Jump. Jump. Go ahead and jump. Jump starts with letter J sound. The next word rhymes with loose, goose, moose, use. But it starts with the J sound. J, oose, juice. Do you like juice? What's your favorite kind of juice? I like apple juice. The next word, this next word has 3 sounds in it. First sound is J, jumping Jim. Second sound is E, Eddie elephant. And the last sound is T, T. There's our word. Let's put it together. J, E, T. Jet. Did you hear that? Jet. Have you seen or heard jet airplanes fly overhead? They sure are loud, aren't they? Last word. It has 3 sounds. First sound is J. Second sound is A. And the last sound is munch and mic sound. J, ch, jam, jam. What was that? Jam. Jam. Looks like that's strawberry jam. Do you like jam? Jam is just another word for jelly. And what did we make? Is that a letter J? Yes. Is it an uppercase or lowercase J? Looks to be uppercase because there's no ball on the top. Now we can sing a song about these words in this puzzle. First we're going to do the first 2 words, and then we'll continue doing all 4 in a row. Jump starts with J. Juice starts with J. Jump and juice and jet and jam, they all start with J. Very good. I think that's all for today. All that there is left is to say, see you later, alligator. Bye-bye.